Okay, today we are going to look at primer bulbs and how to change them. There'll be links to the bulbs in the Amazon store below, where you can find these bulbs that I got. There's basically two different sizes. I ordered both of them so you can see both of them. You got a large size, which is basically 3/4, and you got a small size, which is 1/2 inch. This Craftsman leaf blower, backpack blower, should be a small size. It should be similar to most of your weed eaters and little chainsaws, things like that use this type primer bulb. There's a cover plate for this style, and hopefully I got the angle on this right. Just pop the cover off so you can get to it. Some people say take the cleaners off, and some of your carburetors you may have to. This one's very simple. You just take the screws out, and if you look right here, you can see the cracks in this bulb. See, there's no way this primes and holds. It just pulls air when you try to start it. So it's been set up for a while. It was good condition in using before, but you leave it sit and it's going to dry out. They're fairly cheap. They're $4 or $5, something like that. Time you pay the taxes and stuff. And the smallest number one I got is a number set of 4. They got bigger packs, but unless you're running a shop, you'll probably never use them. By the time I need bulbs again, I won't be able to find them, so I'll buy more again. It's just the way it is. I imagine most people are the same way. Okay, now we got all 4 of those screws out, and I've just laid them down here in this air cleaner as a cup, as a holding container. I'm trying to keep my glasses from falling off my head. And I'm going to pop this metal plate off with the cleaner, and I'll get you a good look. You can see that it's just completely deteriorated. It's just dried out from the old gasoline, and you just push that bulb through there and it comes out on this side. Now I'm going to sit this right here so we don't lose it, and I'm going to show you the difference between the small bulb and the big bulb so you can see it. This is a big bulb, and you can see the size. This one here is 3/4 and this one's a 1/2 inch, so it's just a difference in size. So I'm going to put that back in there because that's not the one we need, but that's the one you can see. And I'm going to take out the right size bulb, and the right size bulb is this 1/2 inch bulb. They got it marked in millimeters, so beware of that. But you can see this is the same bulb right here. I'm going to take the old one and just throw it down here in the cover so I can throw it away later. You simply just insert it in here, make sure it's firmly seated, put it back over, make sure you don't got any dust or dirt inside of here. Back over top of your fuel system. Line your screws back up, and I like to get all the screws in there first before you start tightening. That way it can everything stays lined up. And don't run it all the way down, just kind of snug them up, crisscross, and then go back and tighten them. So what I'm doing is I'm running that down just barely snug, no tightening, no good and tightening, just kind of running it down so I get all 4 of them down there before I start tightening anything. Okay. Now this one I will tighten. And I will crisscross again, and I will tighten. Crisscross. Bear with the old blind guy trying to get it in the hole. Guess that didn't sound right. This is a YouTube friendly channel, so y'all don't think with dirty minds. Okay, they're all tight. This piece gets thrown away, so we're just going to put it right here for now. And your cover has a clip right here in the back that fits on this little tab, and your front ones just snap right in there. And that should be it. We'll fill it up with some gas and start it up and go look for my glasses. Actually is what I needed this for. I dropped my glasses in the woods and I can't find them in the leaves, so I need a leaf blower to look for my glasses so I can see, because you can't get an appointment to the eye doctor because all the eye doctors are retiring. Problems with age. You'll understand one day if you're not this old. If you are this old, you already understand. Anyway, this is the small primer bulb. And I got the small primer bulb in a colored. You can get it in a clear also. I got the large primer bulbs in a clear, just for my regulation when I look at them later. And these are linked below for the Amazon links. You can find them on Amazon. Or like I said, they're like $4 and something. By the time you add taxes, like $5 or something. But you can find these. These are the cheapest that I could find. These are the lowest number. They don't, or I didn't find them by the single packs. I'm not gonna say they don't sell them. Somebody might sell them by single packs, but 4 at a time is what I was finding, and 4 at a time is what I bought. But that's how you change it, and then you can see the gas already starting to pump in there now. So that's much better than it was before. I do need to put some gas in the gas tank first though. Okay, and that is for a Craftsman 32cc backpack blower that I'm going to strap on my wife and turn her loose. And while she's blowing, I'm going to look for my glasses. So y'all click like and subscribe. If you need primer bulbs for your weed eaters, your backpack blowers, whatever, you can find the links. And just make sure you look at which size. If you got basically a 1/2 inch or a 3/4, there's an exact measurement with the millimeters on there on the website. But if you're around 3/4 for the side of the dome to side of dome, or 1/2 inch from side of dome to side of dome, the 1/2 inch you want the small, the 3/4 you want the big. It's that simple. You can click on whichever link you want. It doesn't cost you any extra. Helps you find it. Helps me out. Y'all click like and subscribe. Thank you.